What's up, guys? My name is Anthony. I want to welcome you to the channel, and in this video we are going to be giving you an update on the top 3 answers from our poll in the community tab. We had 284 votes on this, and the top 3 winners were Cardano, the Graph, and Chainlink, of course, Link at 19%. So we are going to cover the craziness in the markets. We're going to cover those 3 coins. I'm going to give you target buying prices, support and resistance levels, and much more, so stick around for the entire video. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel if you're serious about including cryptocurrency in your overall wealth building strategy. But let's take a look at the market. And the first thing I want to start off with is just talking about how the market cap is down 6.4% today. So this is a caution sign for me, guys. Truth be told, I did have a Link trade today, which I will talk about a little bit later, but I made sure to take some profits because I'm not entirely sure that we're going to bounce back and go to new highs tomorrow. I think we could be looking at kind of a week of consolidation or potentially some more pain because we just had a parabolic run-up. Bitcoin just kept hitting new all-time highs, and as I've mentioned in previous videos, or recent videos, I should say, many of the coins had been rising with it, and now you're seeing many of the coins fall along with Bitcoin. So I am proceeding with caution right now, but let's take a quick look at ADA. And I will say this, out of the 3 coins we are covering, ADA is looking the most bullish. And so let's just talk about a few things. We're looking at the daily charts, and at the moment you can see where this blue line is. This is our daily candle, which was what we would consider a long-legged doji candle. Okay, so that just closed a little while ago. Obviously today was a wild ride. We dipped all the way down to 81 cents. We closed at 109, and the price at the present moment is sitting at $1.11. You know, also congratulations to all Cardano holders, all ADA holders. Of course, things are looking great. I made a true price potential ADA video. I will link to the top of this if you guys want to check that out. But I think we've got a lot of great things in store for this project on the horizon. Does that mean this is going to be an amazing week? Not necessarily. So let's talk a little bit about it. Now, a long-legged doji is used by some traders to warn that indecision is entering the market after a strong advance. And boy, did we just see that. I mean, if I scroll out a little bit and you just look at this run-up, which dates all the way back to February 1st, we were at 30 cents. Think about that, guys. We were at 30 cents for ADA. Right, just back on February 1st. So from February 1st to the highs that we just recently saw, we did a 286% gain. That's why I'm telling you guys, I feel like this market is potentially a little bit frothy right now. Are there still legs in this bull market? I think absolutely, but I think short term we could see some sideways motion. Our critical support level here is 81 cents. If you see ADA fall that low again, that would be a level that I would expect to see a bounce and a level you might want to consider buying. And on the upside, we have been seeing consistent resistance, especially as I go out to the 4-hour here. We have been seeing consistent resistance. Actually, I'll even adjust this. Consistent resistance here at $1.14. That would be the upside target. If you're looking to swing trade this, I wouldn't expect it to break right out past that. We might find some resistance there overhead. Now, one of my new favorite altcoins is GRT, which is the Graph, which is a very unique project with focuses on query indexing within the blockchain and Web3. I did make a project review of this one. I'll put up in the top corner if you'd like to check that out. But what I found here is we had some serious parabolic movement up with this one. If you remember, everyone talking about this on Twitter, right? We just went up, and this project's only been on the market for a few months, but we went up all the way to a high of $2.88, and since we have consolidated. Okay, and what we have found, what I have noticed here is we have found a beautiful box range. This is a swing trader's dream right now. You can see we fell way below it today, basically covered the range of it, but look at the top. We held to that position, and basically what's been happening here, as I go to the 4-hour, you'll see this even more, is we've just been bouncing in and around this zone. So what I am doing, and I'm always trying to be real with you guys, is I have been scaling into this project. I've been slowly buying at the $2 level and below over the last week and a half, okay? And one thing that you might want to do if you're a nimble swing trader, all right, if this hits $2.40, that's been pretty much our top, 242. We're having a hard time breaking out. So if you want to swing trade this, you might want to look to take profit around $2.40, okay? if you're looking to acquire this, the real buy zone, which we may or may not see again. Remember, like I said, this market may continue sideways or go down a little bit. Keep an eye on this buy zone here. We've entered this buy zone here on February 14th, right? A few times. We entered it again on the 22nd, a few times. Now, it doesn't happen often, but if you set a limit buy order at, let's say, $1.80 or $1.85, you do have a chance at getting that filled. And I think that would potentially be a great price if you're looking to buy and hold this one long term. This is a unique project, guys. I haven't heard of query indexing protocols in the space yet, but I do think it's something that's needed. But let's move into Link. And Link, as you guys know, is an all-time favorite of mine. I did make a swing trade on this today. Now, this almost looks like a hammer candle, but really it's a bearish engulfing candle because this red body is so much longer than this green one. It really engulfs it. So this is looking decent, but we are sitting at the bottom of this parallel ascending channel here that we are in. So I would want some more confirmation that we're going to move back up towards the median of this channel before making any other trades. And truthfully, I did make a day trade on this today, but I got out before the daily close of this candle because I am a little bit weary right now, guys. But I will say this, after we saw the flash crash here, we have recovered decently, but you can see now we're probably going to test the bottom of this channel. So I would expect this to fall right down around $30. And $30, Link is a buy for me, whether you're looking to swing trade or potentially hold long term. Nothing I say is financial advice, but I definitely do feel that way about Link, that $30 is not a horrible price for it. Certainly a lot better if you're looking to buy and hold, right? We never buy all-time highs. I hope you guys didn't buy at almost $37 up here, right? I always preach buy the dips, right? Don't FOMO in, right? Those are crypto basics. Don't FOMO in and buy at all-time highs, and don't sell during the dips. You want to train your mind to do the opposite. This cryptocurrency dip brought multiple altcoins down to the levels we've been waiting for weeks. Okay, so Link below 30, Aave below 400 if you can get that, GRT below $2, ADA below $1, as we mentioned 80 cents in this video, and Litecoin below $200 I think could be a really interesting buy right now. Again, none of this is financial advice. Also consider giving me a follow on Twitter. My handle is at CRAnthony3. I have been very active and I post a lot of updates in between videos over here. Smash the like button if you found value in the content. Let me know in the comments section which altcoins you are watching right now and how you feel the market is going to perform for the remainder of the week. Thanks for watching and enjoy the ride.